Hey everyone and welcome to this quick video. In this video we are gonna unbox, test, set up the Maono AU-A03 microphone. This is a condenser microphone and we are just gonna look if we have something specific worth mentioning on the box. Well, these are just some specifications, some diagrams and some features of the microphone. Alright, I don't see anything specific worth mentioning. Now let's open up the box. Oh yeah. Oh, here comes the mic. Oh, alright. So here we have the first layer, and as we can see, first of all, we have the manual. It shows what's in the box. Then we have a happy card. Oh, that's a nice card. Need help and happy. Nice. Alright. Okay. Moving on. We have two types of pop filters here. So this one is windscreen. So this one is used to block the wind if you're outside or if there's a wind noise in your environment. And this one is not recommended for indoors. And this one I think will work best for your voice because it's specifically a plosive filter. It blocks the plosives like puh puh sounds and looks nice. Alright, let's move on to the second layer. Alright, now we have some stuff. Okay, so first let's get this off. And okay, so this is the stand which is gonna hold the microphone in place, and I think this is gonna set up. Alright, we'll see how it sets up, and let's get the wires out of the way now. So this is the microphone cable, and here we have a splitter if you want to use your headphones and you're using it with a smartphone or your laptop. This is the base. We'll show how to set it up later in the video, and then we'll do a quick mic test. Oh, this is the arm. Come out, baby. Come out now. There you go. And here we have a strap also. Alright, so this is the arm, and well, opens up nicely. Looks loose. We might have a way to tighten it up. Okay. Yeah, that's a strap to hold the cable. Alright, the main thing now. Let's open it up. Do we have anything else? Nah, that's it. Alright, let's see what's in here. Hey, big fella, come out. Oh, here we have the Maono AU-A03. Alright, well, it looks quite good. The build quality is heavy, looks sturdy, and let's quickly see all the things that are in here, and then we'll set it up. Alright, so here we have all the things lined up for the inspection. Now let us see quickly. We have mic, splitter, pop filter, base, the holder, the wire cable, shield, and an arm. Well, that makes me happy. It's time to set the microphone now. So take the base and this silver part, it goes downwards, and then set it up where you want the microphone to be, and then we just tighten it up. We will do a quick mic test at the end to see how the voice is different in this microphone and any generic microphone. And I guess we are done here. Alright, so the next part is to tighten up the arm. So first place the arm and then tighten the screw that's given in the base. Set up the arm the way you want, and I guess that's it. So the next part is the shock mount. So this goes there, and this holder place, so this microphone goes in here. So what you need to do is press with your thumb and the finger and clutch tightly, and it'll open up this area where the microphone will be placed. So push it down, and when the microphone is downwards enough that The place where the pin will set up is out of the mount. You are ready to place it on the arm. And after that, all we need to do is tighten it up and place where we like it. And now we place the pop filter. So the pop filter, as I mentioned earlier, is important to block your pops or plosives like puh, puh. It'll make you sound better. And all you need to do is, just like the bass, tighten it up where you want and place it in front of your microphone. And that's it. Now this is windscreen. You can choose to use it or not, but if you want to use it, all you need to do is just slide it upwards and it will block the crazy wind sound if you're outside, or if you're inside, the fan noise. Now this is just me setting up the microphone cable. Nothing really important to explain here, so let's just do the microphone test instead. Now, throughout the video, you've been hearing my voice through the microphone. Yes, the same microphone that I'm setting up right here. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to pick tongue twister. And I'm going to repeat the same tongue twister with this microphone and then with the generic microphone like a webcam or a laptop microphone, and we'll see the difference. Alright, here goes. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled Alright, again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? Barely survived there. Alright, now let's do the same with the generic mic. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did the Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did the Peter Piper pick? Well, there you have it. I quite like the microphone. I hope you do too. And with that, we are done with the video. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, comment your thoughts down in the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.